Hey everyone, welcome back to another video with CryptoNinjas. My name is Dale, your guide through this vast crypto universe. Today, I want to introduce you to Fasqon, a crypto-native neobank that has everything. You can keep your favorite cryptos and euros together, send money globally via Swift and local rails, spend anywhere with a dedicated IBAN and card that works with Apple Pay and Google Pay. Banking, crypto, rewards, yields, payouts, and cards all in one single app. So you don't have to switch between 3 to 5 places to spend your crypto. Right now, Fasqon is hosting their token sale FSQN at $15 million in FDV. But the best thing is, they're listing their token at $30 million in valuation. That means if you were to participate, you would make an instant 2x. And I don't know about you guys, but in this market, for me to make a 2x guaranteed, I'm down. So in this video, I'm going to review what Fasqon is, how they work, how Fasqon is changing the way that entrepreneurs and digital generations like you and I use crypto in our real life. And finally, I'll walk you through how to participate in the Fasqon token sale. Let's go. But before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas for more contents like this and use our dedicated referral link to join the sale. Thank you very much. As a preface, I am not a financial advisor. None of the things that I say here can be taken as such, so do your research and be responsible with your own investment. So what exactly is Fasqon? Well, picture this. You live in Europe and you work in Web3. You just got paid, let's say, 1,000 USDC from a client in Dubai, but your bills are in fiat, in euro specifically. So you have to deposit USDT from your MetaMask to your Binance or Coinbase or Kraken exchange. Then you sell that USDC into euros, and then you have to request a withdrawal to your bank account through SEPA transfers, which can take up to like 1 or even 3 days. But sometimes your local bank may flag it as suspicious activity, so your money cannot even go through. So there we go. 3 apps, 2 days, 0 privacy, no control, and a total headache. That is why Fasqon exists. It's a one app where your crypto turns into euros in 3 seconds. Not 3 days. Pay your bills, subscriptions, groceries instantly. And spend crypto or fiat anywhere with a slick card. There is no KYC for an account balance under 200 euros. And you even earn rewards or yields along the way. And as I said, banking, crypto, rewards, payouts, yields, card spending, all in one single place. It was founded in 2024 with a professional team with decades of experiences in banking, finance, and payment system globally. And yes, Fasqon is fully regulated. They have the European VASP license and MiCA license is in process. They're backed by Bison Bank, a regulated powerhouse in Portugal, in Lisbon specifically, for fiat crypto gateway. So you get a real bank's security without the hassle. They have raised around $1.2 million in seed round, so that gives them a several months of leeway to build the product. However, they're looking to raise more money from the token sale, which we'll get into in a little bit. It's not perfect yet because the Fasqon Neobank app MVP, it will drop somewhere in early 2026, maybe Q1, maybe Q2. It would be better if we see the app in action, so we know the quality of the product here. However, I'm sure with a seasoned team like this and big partnerships with Bison Banks and all other institutions, it's gonna turn out great. The app's gonna turn out great. Already, I'm loving the UX, right? From the mockups, very clean, very professional design. But that's also a great opportunity for us because we get to invest in an amazing neobank like this at a very early stage. Once the app is out with thousands or maybe hundreds of thousands of users, I'm sure the valuation would be much higher than just $30 million. Okay, so how does Fasqon actually work? Well, I recently had an interview with the Fasqon team, so if you want to check that out, make sure to go to the link. And the process the team explained is very simple, very easy. You can just download the app, log in with your email or social accounts, and complete the KYC, obviously, right, for anti-money laundering laws. But in the future, you can even log in directly using your MetaMask or Trust Wallet. So there's no emails, no phone numbers needed if you're conscious about privacy. And just like that, once you're logged in, you're in a unified wallet app holding euros, stable coins like USDC, Bitcoins, Ethereum, whatever assets that you want, side by side all together, right? And if you want to send euros, for example, or cryptos to a friend, let's say in Spain, or to a client in Germany, lightning fast, obviously, right? Zero fees across Europe, thanks to FastPay, which is their product, instant payment engine, right? FastPay makes it happen via SEPA transfers up to 100,000 euros a pop. No more waiting for 2 to 3 days for bank wires or paying 3% foreign exchange fees. The strength here is that it's AI powered, so it automatically picks the cheapest, fastest route, whether that's blockchain for crypto or SEPA rails for fiat, compared to traditional banks, which can take up to like 3 days and charge like 10 or 20 euros per transfer, right? FastPay feels very fast, liberating. It's secure, again, backed by Bison Bank. It's encrypted end to end, and it's very compliant as well. For cross-border Web3 businesses and employees, this alone saves hours of headaches every single month. Now, if you need to spend money, they also have the Fasqon Card, which I mentioned above, which is a Visa card with your own personal IBAN, international banking account number, right? Loaded straight from your crypto balance, okay? You can use it to pay for Netflix subscriptions, groceries, or online shopping, or pay for a trip with your significant other across Europe if you want to. In the back end, how that works is Fasqon converts your crypto into fiat automatically, and you can choose which crypto you want to prioritize to be converted. Okay, so that's all customized in the app with up to 5% cashback in paid in crypto rewards. So you get cashback if you spend money through the card. Crazy already, right? Looking at the design right now, it might look like titanium or it could be plastic, I don't know, but it feels super high end. I'm loving the design already, and look at that texture right here. I bet that feels pretty nice in your hand. And if they allow for like custom signatures, like if you have daily at the bottom like that, it could be cool, or designs. I can see businesses and CEOs using this on a daily basis. Now, let's talk about FSQN, their native token. First, let's start with the utilities. So if you just scroll down right here, you're going to see that why FSQN will be in high demand, the utilities. You can access the staking and token locked yield mechanism. So very nice. They also have access, it also gives you access to, AI powered financial assistance and invoice processing. So very helpful if you're running a business. Also, you can access their own social finance and messenger-based microtransactions. They also have a built-in deflationary burn mechanism, which I'll talk about in a little bit. It's also used for gamification, mini games, and affiliate monetizations. So that is very nice. The main utilities, though, however, is provide access to premium Fasqon banking app features by holding a certain amount of FSQN tokens. Very nice. Offering discounts on fee services when paying with FSQN token, up to 50% if I'm not mistaken. And then here we go. This is the deflationary part, right? Buyback and burn mechanism. 25% of the project's revenue is automatically allocated for token buyback and burn. That is insane, because scroll up, and you're going to see what I'm talking about, right? Look at that. Every payment, every swap, and subscription fuels the FSQN economy, turning real fintech revenue into lasting token value. Every single thing that you use the card, use the app, anything that can generate the revenue, 25% of that is going straight to buying back the token and burn. That is an insane amount of buying pressure, all right, putting into the token. So if Fasqon business and revenue grows, this token will grow with it. So as I'm telling you, man, if you were to participate in the pre-sale at $15 million in FDV, it's an absolute steal compared to what the team has plans for the token and also for the project. Now, on the tokenomic side, the total supply is 1 billion Fasqon token. The chain is Binance Smart Chain. The initial circulating supply, however, is only 63 million tokens. That means 6.3% roughly will be out circulation in day one. Very, very low float. And the valuation makes sense, right? The private sale round A is about 1 cent. The private sale round B is 1.5 cent. This is where we are at right now. Now, the token allocation or distribution is 16% for the team, liquidity reserve 15%, ecosystem incentives 15%, advisors 2%, and these are the private sale round. B 24%, so that's us right here. The IDO is about another 3%. They also have an airdrop of 2%, farming staking 10%, and then 10% for the marketing. They're all audited by Kaizen Finance. Okay, I would love it if they have like a vesting schedule for their token, but I'm sure they will update it before the token's release. But yeah, that'll be better. Now, if you're interested in holding Fasqon token, then this is how you do it to participate in the round B sale. Go to tokensale.fascon.com or just click the link down in the description. Okay, that is our own referral link. So yeah, if you support the channel, please do that. This would show up. Okay, this is the pre-sale. Very simple. You can choose between 3 chains, BSC, Ethereum, Base, and you can choose between 2 stablecoins, USDT and USDC. Okay, remember that. So just connect your wallet, and that's it. You need to have USDC or USDT, and then you can purchase with that. Very simple. I did purchase. It goes through like instantly. Very nice. And if you were to purchase $15, that's it, $15, you can join the referral program. These referral programs gives you a referral link just like we do, and a 5% USDT cashback anytime anyone buys the presale using your link. So that's incredible. If you have any issues with the pre-sale, make sure to comment down below. I'll make sure to answer each and every single one of you, okay? But remember to do your own research. Cryptos is very volatile, so only invest what you can afford. And if you're in for the utility, not the flip, quick bucks, then FSQN aligns perfectly with what you're looking for. And that's it for my video about Fasqon. Thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas for more contents like this, and use our Fasqon pre-sale referral link to support the channel. And comment down below what you think about Fasqon. And I'll see you in another video. Daily out.